Hi, everybody. My name is Thomas Crowfoot. I am a student here at Grand Canyon University, and today I'll be doing a presentation for the IT project management scope and schedule reflection. So, the execution strategy for the project involves a phased approach broken down into 5 major activities. Project initiative focuses on developing the project character and identifying the stakeholders. Project planning, so far, we're making really good progress in this phase by defining the scope, objectives, resource allocation, and risk assessment. The project execution is managed by the IT team, focusing on migrating data to the cloud and conducting system testing. This phase has yet started, but is scheduled to begin after planning is complete. Monitoring and control. This overlaps with the execution, involving staying ahead of potential problems, assigning team members, and maintaining accountability. And finally, the project closure. This phase is a critical as it involves the final review, documentation, and project handover to ensure everything is finalized and transitions smoothly. The management of IT and technology infrastructures in this project is handled through meticulous planning and execution phases. The IT team is responsible for the core technical tasks, such as the data migration to the cloud and system testing. These tasks are critical to transitioning the original data center to the hybrid cloud model. Resource allocation and leveling is critical process in project management that involves assigning resources effectively, balancing workloads, and optimizing resources, utilizing to ensure the project's success. The project schedule broken down into specific tasks and dependencies help manage this effectively. Continuous monitoring and control measures such as performance, tasking, and optimization ensure that any issues to IT infrastructures are promptly addressed and corrected, maintaining project quality and reducing risk. The effectiveness of current plans and schedules appear to be affected based on the following observations. So in the group project, we had a Gantt chart, but the Gantt chart is to visualize project phases and their timelines help understand the task project process. Um, Project alternatives such as sequence planning with clear start and end dates, allowing for dependencies to manage effectively. The project schedule has been divided into manageable phases such as with its own tasks and responsible teams, aligning with the PMBOK methodology for structured project management. As per the chart, some tasks are already complete and others are in progress, but with clear indication our team's commitment and discipline in adhering to the schedule. However, continuous monitoring will be essential to maintain this effectiveness, particularly as the project progresses to the execution phase. The measurement of the performance is an ongoing process in this project and includes the following 3 categories. Performance tracking. This is a critical part of monitoring and control phase, where each of us, as a part of the project team, plays a significant role in regarding assessing the progress against the planned schedule and make adjustments as needed. Milestones and deliverables. The project is structured around specific milestones, each of which is a key deliverable. These milestones are a critical checkpoint to help ensure that the project is successful and that the results are made available to a wider community. Finally, we have the critical path analyst. By identifying the critical path, the project team can focus on the tasks that directly impact the project's duration, providing us with the confidence that any delays are minimal. And finally, the steps taken to ensure quality is integrated into several parts of the project management process. We have defined the scope and objectives. Basically, clear, defined project scope and objectives help set the quality benchmarks for deliverables. This ensures that all project activities align with the desired outcomes. Risk assessment identifies potential risk early in the project, allowing productive measurement to mitigate them, reducing the chance of quality issues. Stakeholder involvement, which means some regular communication with any of the stakeholders to ensure that their expectations are met. And quality control procedures. During the monitoring and control phase, the project team will utilize quality control techniques to review the deliverables and ensure that they meet the standards that include testing and validation during the system integrated testing phase. And here are my references. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. Have a good day.